One moment. So today, any special reason about your visit?
No. We'll be coming every more or less. No, we'll be here only. No.
Today,
Coming and going, coming and going.
today we have seen Luiz Falero resigning from the Congress. Anything that you want to say on that?
Let us see. I'm just going now to GPCC. After that, the react over there.
Were you aware about the step that you would take?
We knew a lot of things were happening for the last 15 days. It was all known. It's not like a surprise. We knew it was all happening.
Some more members have also left the Congress.
Yeah, all of them are all his close associates
Correct.
who are with him. And we knew this 15 days back only.
Is there any dispute or सब कुछ हो रहा है पार्टी के बीच या members की तरफ से?
Any split vertically? They are talking about vertical split.
Like that will happen. But let us see how all these things develop.
So Luiz Falero going and Avartan Furtado coming is a good bet.
We see in every constituency we have many options.
Correct.
And there are a lot of people, aspirants within Congress. So we have to select the best in all that. So we can't, I won't talk about any particular constituency now. So we do a proper survey and we do a feedback. That process will be there in the next month. We'll be doing all those things. Then the candidate process is another process. So many people have wanted to join Congress. Many people already joined Congress. Many people will be joining in the future also. So there are a lot of, because Congress is a strong party here. Some people for their personal agendas, to gain some for their own personal benefits, they may be taking some decisions. But anyway, I will address certain things later on. I think there's a press conference today, no?
Yes, sir. So any more members likely to leave the Congress? Any information that you have on them?
This is a democracy, and it should be a healthy democracy. Coming and trying to suddenly create a political party and trying to poach leaders from other political parties is not a good thing. Not a good thing for the culture of Goa. So what TMC is doing is, I think, not in the interest of Goa, not in the political interest of Goa, and it is not in the development or not in the development interest of Goa. This is like something which is, I think, party should be built from the grassroots level. No? Can't come from helicopter land and start picking up leaders. That is not a good thing.
Correct.
So I don't like this kind of politics, and I think Congress will fight this kind of politics. Yes, sometimes people join the party, like many people are joining the Congress today. That they are joining because of they want to come to the Congress. But here this is the opposite.
So you're against the poaching?
People coming and trying to hijack, poach, and use all kinds of means, using money power and all those things. It's not good, I think. It's not healthy politics.
So anything on alliance, sir?
Yes, sir.